Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Today I'll be sharing with you an easy caring tips for mini roses in pots. Water only when the top of the soil surface is dry to avoid overwatering. And avoid watering the leaves because wet leaves can lead to powdery mildew, another plant disease. If your plants are indoor, place them by the window where they'll get at least 5 hours of direct sun exposure. For outdoor, you can place them anywhere as long as they get the same amount of direct sunlight. Prune dead stems, leaves, and blooms to keep the plant healthy. Fertilize once a month when plants are actively growing, but wait until the rose has bloomed before applying fertilizer. Any balanced fertilizer can be used, just make sure to follow the fertilizer direction carefully. I use Miracle-Gro all-purpose water-soluble plant food. I got more blooms and it's easy to use. Regularly check your plants to catch any pest or disease early on. If you noticed one, you can remove few affected leaves right away, or you can spray the affected area to make sure it won't spread. I sprayed them with 70% isopropyl alcohol, the same as I use for my succulents. Spray them every day in the evening when the sun is down. Or if you spray them during the day, place your plants in the shade, making sure not to damage your plants. I hope this video helps you solve your questions on how to care for your mini roses in pots. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog.